Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Documenting and Managing Requirements. Documenting and managing requirements are critical aspects of the requirements gathering process in business analysis. Effective documentation and management of requirements ensure that stakeholders' needs are accurately captured and articulated, reducing the risk of project failure due to miscommunications or overlooked details. This lesson delves into the importance, methodologies, and best practices of documenting and managing requirements, drawing upon authoritative sources to provide a thorough understanding of these essential processes. Accurate documentation of requirements begins with the identification and capture of stakeholder needs. This process typically involves a variety of techniques, including interviews, surveys, workshops, and observation. The goal is to gather comprehensive information about what the stakeholders need the system or solution to achieve. According to Wiegers and Beatty, effective requirements documentation should be clear, concise, and unambiguous, facilitating a shared understanding among all project participants. It is essential for the requirements document to serve as a reference point throughout the project lifecycle, guiding development, testing, and validation activities. One widely recognized approach to documenting requirements is the use of user stories, which are concise descriptions of a feature from the perspective of the end user. User stories are often written in a structured format. As a user, I want function, so that benefit. This format helps ensure that the requirements are focused on delivering value to the users. Cohn emphasizes that user stories should be independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. This mnemonic aids in creating user stories that are manageable and useful throughout the project. Another critical method for documenting requirements is the use of use cases. A use case describes a sequence of actions that a system performs to achieve a specific goal. Use cases are particularly useful for capturing functional requirements and providing detailed scenarios of how the system will be used. Cockburn suggests that use cases should include a primary scenario, which describes the standard flow of events, as well as alternative scenarios, which account for variations and exceptions. This comprehensive approach ensures that all potential interactions with the system are considered. Beyond user stories and use cases, requirements can also be documented using various models and diagrams. For instance, data flow diagrams can visually represent the flow of information within a system, highlighting how data inputs are transformed into outputs. Similarly, entity relationship diagrams illustrate the relationships between different data entities, providing a clear picture of the system's data structure. These visual aids are invaluable for facilitating communication among stakeholders and ensuring a shared understanding of the system's requirements. Managing requirements involves maintaining their accuracy, consistency, and traceability throughout the project lifecycle. One of the key challenges in managing requirements is dealing with changes. Requirements are often subject to change due to evolving stakeholder needs, technological advancements, or regulatory updates. Effective change management processes are essential to ensure that changes are systematically evaluated, approved, and incorporated into the project. According to Somerville, a robust change management process includes impact analysis, which assesses the potential effects of a proposed change on the project's scope, schedule, and budget. This analysis helps stakeholders make informed decisions about whether to accept or reject the change. Traceability is another crucial aspect of requirements management. Traceability ensures that each requirement can be traced back to its origin, whether it be a stakeholder need, a business objective, or a regulatory requirement. This traceability is vital for verifying that the final product meets all specified requirements, and for identifying the source of any issues that arise during development or testing. The Requirements Traceability Matrix is a common tool used to maintain traceability. The RTM links requirements to their corresponding design elements, test cases, and implementation tasks, providing a clear mapping of how each requirement is addressed throughout the project. Effective communication and collaboration are fundamental to both documenting and managing requirements. Requirements should be documented in a manner that is easily understood by all stakeholders, regardless of their technical expertise. This often involves using simple language, avoiding jargon, and providing examples and visual aids. Additionally, regular communication and collaboration among stakeholders are essential to ensure that requirements are accurately captured, validated, and managed. Agile methodologies, such as Scrum, emphasize the importance of continuous collaboration and iterative feedback, which can significantly enhance the effectiveness of requirements management. In conclusion, documenting and managing requirements are critical components of the requirements gathering process in business analysis. Accurate and comprehensive documentation of requirements ensures that stakeholders' needs are clearly articulated and understood, while effective management of requirements maintains their accuracy, consistency, and traceability throughout the project lifecycle. By employing various techniques and tools, such as user stories, use cases, diagrams, and the requirements traceability matrix, business analysts can facilitate clear communication and collaboration among stakeholders, ultimately contributing to the success of the project. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.